Okay, so today we have a Flora. It's missing some stickers and a coupler. This one is broken. So we need to do a fix and repair on this Flora. The other stickers are okay, not in bad condition. So let's begin. So if you're new to the channel, we do here some fix and repair and sometimes restorations. Oh, look at this. There is a lot of corrosion on the battery contact. So we need to replace that one. And the best idea for me and the best option, I'm going to say option, it's remove the battery terminal and then replace it for a new one. And since these are not available anywhere, so you can just use spring battery terminals for this model. So I'm going to show you in this video how to replace it. So okay, we remove the chassis, and the next step, we gotta disassemble the entire gearbox. So okay, it's clean, not bad. And of course, once we disassemble the entire model, we are going to do some cleaning. It's obviously over the time does get some dirt, hair or carpet hair in the gears. So we're close. Okay, there you go. Okay, look at that. It's really corroded. Yeah, we gotta remove the battery terminal right here, and just a cleaning on this other part, this metal part, and the end is okay, but this one definitely gotta go. So I'm gonna use my drill and make a little hole here. I'm gonna use that for later to use a rivet for the new terminal. Excellent. Okay, now I'm gonna do a little test. Yes, it is working, but let me see. Just gotta make sure it's working properly. Otherwise, I need to replace it. It sounds okay. Okay, now with my solder iron, we remove the corroded battery terminal like that, and I have here ready my next a new battery spring terminal. See, now I can put the rivet inside like that, and with our riveting tool, very easy, just press and go. Look, just 1, 2 and 3. Good. I'm gonna bend this little leg. I'm gonna call it leg, I don't know what's the right term, but anyways, let me put it right here. Excellent. Now with I need to put some solder iron with flux. Preparing my area. Be very careful, guys, if you use this tool. Now a little piece of wire, exposed wire. Very careful, don't burn your fingers. I recommend this that an adult can do it. Sometimes you forget that you're working with hot tools. But anyways, okay, we put it this way right here. Very careful. There you go. Now I'm gonna just remove the extra wire with the scissor. There you go, that's it. Cool. Now let's focus on the sticker. I have here some replacement stickers. If you are interested in stickers, you can find it on the link below for US buyers. If you are out of states, please send me a message. There are a lot of options and a lot of stickers available. Anyways, it looks really nice. See, very good, like new. The other stickers are okay, so this one does match perfectly. Okay, now we are ready to assemble our gearbox. Let me see. Oh, this came off really easy. That means it was broken. So I have here some gears, and let me put the new one. This one, my fingers are too big. I have big hands, but anyways, with the help of the other casing of the gearbox, we just use it as a tool and press. Look, nice. Now we can continue. The first step I used to do is put the electric motor first, and then this worm gear, and the other one with the little spring. See, be careful, don't lose this one. The spring gets lost very easily. Now one drop of grease. This is lithium grease, white lithium grease. You can find that one on the some stores or auto stores. Excellent. Now where this little screws gives me a hard time because my fingers, my hands are too big. But anyways, so if you are looking for the white grease, you can find this on the auto parts and sometimes on eBay or Amazon sometimes. But remember, you need to use some lithium grease. That's safe. It's safe for plastic gears. Actually, you can look online for printer grease. Printer is the same. The only thing is that you're gonna pay a lot of money for just few ounces. So let me do a little test. Excellent. It's working perfectly. Very, very good. Now let's put it on the chassis. We gotta assemble everything. We're almost done. We're done. It's just part of the assemble and go. Good. Okay, don't forget the coupler, new coupler, and we have here the top of the chassis. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and give it a like. And there are a lot of videos on my channel that will help you fix and repair your models. Of course, if you are first timer, I'm gonna say if you're the first time you are doing fix and repair, you may feel overwhelmed for this part, but don't get frustrated. These are not complicated to fix. Just take some practice. And the gears also, there's some link on some of my videos. If you go to my main page, type on the search bar for gears, and then you're gonna find one of those videos where it will redirect you, and on the description you can find where to buy it. There's a link in the description. Okay, we are done with this model. It's perfect. Look at that. Not bad, huh? Cool. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and as always, over and out. Bye, Flora.